Direct deposit in the Current app works by giving your employer a routing number and account number, so your paycheck goes straight into your Current account instead of a physical check or external bank. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your direct deposit details in Current and how to set it up without mistakes that delay your paycheck. Start with where the information actually is. Inside the Current app, your direct deposit details are located in the section that shows your account information. This is where Current provides your routing number and account number. Those two numbers are what your employer or payroll system needs to send money directly into your account. Now explain the setup step clearly. Open the Current app and go to your account details or settings area. Look for the direct deposit or account information section. Once you find it, you'll see your routing number and account number displayed. Now move to the next step. Copy those details exactly as they appear. Even a small mistake in a digit can cause your paycheck to fail or get delayed. Now explain how to actually use it. Go to your employer's payroll system or HR portal. Most companies use online systems where you can edit your direct deposit information yourself. Paste your current routing number into the routing field. Paste your current account number into the account number field. Now select checking account if the system asks for account type. Now cover what happens next. Once you submit the changes, your employer will usually take one or more pay cycles to fully switch your direct deposit over. During that transition, you may still receive one paycheck on your old account. Now explaining a common mistake. A lot of users enter the wrong account type or mix up routing and account numbers. That causes delays because payroll systems reject mismatched information automatically. Now give a simple safety check. Before submitting, recheck every digit in both numbers and confirm they match exactly what Current shows in the app. Now summarize the full process. Open Current and find your account details. Copy routing and account numbers exactly. Enter them into your employer's payroll system and submit. One practical next step. Double-check your first successful deposit by confirming the money lands in Current after your next pay cycle, because that confirms everything is set up correctly. Like and subscribe for simple step-by-step fixes for banking and finance apps without confusion.